Alright, let's jump right in. If you're hunting for the best free Matrix channel add-ins for Kodi, you're in the right spot. I'll walk you through the top picks and how to install them, step by step, so you can get streaming in no time. First up, the Oath add-in. This one's a fan favorite, pulling in loads of movies and TV shows. To install it, just open Kodi, head to the settings, and then File Manager. Click Add Source, type in https://host505.github.io/, and name it Oath. Jump back to the add-ons menu, hit the open box icon, and select Install from Zip File. Choose Oath, then the repo zip. Once it's installed, go back and hit Install from Repository. You'll find the Oath listed there. Install it and you're set. Next, let's check out the Seren add-on. It's another powerhouse, but you'll need a Debrid account for the best experience. Add this source, https://nixgates.github.io/packages, and follow the same steps. Add the repo, install from zip, then from repository, and finally, install Seren. If you want live TV, the Pluto TV add-on is a must. This one's usually in the official Kodi repo, so it's as easy as searching for Pluto TV in the add-ons browser and clicking install. Once it's in, you get tons of free live channels, no sign-up needed. Remember, every add-on has its own vibe, so try a few and see what suits your style. And if you get stuck, drop your questions in the comments. I love helping out. That's it. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more Kodi tips and tricks. Happy streaming!